Join me as I make my favorite seasoned baked scallop and mushroom dish. This is one of my favorite. I went to the Publix fish department and I was going to buy a pound of wild caught scallops, and they're like, "No, dude, we got 2 bags of wild caught scallops frozen, a pound and an ounce a piece for only $10 a piece if you get two of them." I'm like, okay, I'd be crazy not to do that. So as you see here, I'm making a whole bag of 1.8 ounces of scallops, frozen, wild caught, and I'm going to dethaw them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 minutes. And they're pretty thawed out here. And I'm making them with sliced organic mushrooms, my favorite. So I'm making my seasoning right now. I'm preheating my oven at 375 degrees, and I got a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, about a tablespoon of vinegar. You can do apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, it doesn't matter, whatever your favorite is, and about a tablespoon of salt. Mix that into my little bowl here, making for a perfect dressing to put on my mushrooms and my scallops. Heavily going on the cayenne pepper. You can do whatever you want for season. I love cayenne pepper. I'm putting a little bit of garlic here. Well, actually, a lot of garlic now when I think about it. And pepper, of course. I'm going to put some pepper on here. And then I'm going to put a little bit of thyme leaves on it to make it look a little bit interesting, which it does. Gives it a little bit of coloring. And now here I am putting the whole bowl of olive oil and lemon juice on my mushrooms and scallops. Now I remember when I was a kid, I remember my grandmother asking me, she'd say, What's your favorite seafood?" And I would always say, "Hush puppies, Grandma, hush puppies." And so every time we went to Long John Silver's, I remember hush puppies were my favorite thing. And of course, we all know hush puppies are cornbread, but it don't matter. I love hush puppies. Okay, so again, I'm preheating my oven. We're at 375 degrees. I put it in the center rack here, and we're going to let it go for a good 15 minutes, 13 to 15 minutes, because we're on a pretty low temperature here baking it. And let's go ahead and try her out. I just cooked it. It was in there for 15 minutes. Got me a mushroom here and 2 pieces of scallops.
Wow. Wow. It's excellent. It's so good.